Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goring Guitar. Sueco has been it before, I'm pretty sure about that. I listened to him anyway, and I think it's covered on Goring Guitar. Bad idea. This is a good idea to look at this one. A cool song and fits guitar very well actually. And despite from the tempo it's going on there in the song, it's pretty fast. But anyway, we have 4 chords. We can mix up melodies with strumming and combine everything. So that's nice. Bad idea. We will see if you enjoy this one. So let's start here with capo on second, the absolute best scenario for us. Capo on second, put that on. And we have 4 chords: A minor, C, G, and D. So let's go through the chords. We have A minor first, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. A very easy transition to next chord, the C. You just lift off the second G string and put it on the third A. Keep the rest there, and that gives us third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next, and that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. And the final chord is D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. So there we have the chords. Now let's first take a look at the melody that builds up this song. And it goes very high up here, guys. We don't have an electric guitar here on Goring Guitar. I'm not using that. So yeah, we need to take down everything to a little bit higher frequencies. Sorry, lower actually would be, but if you would play on an electric guitar, you will reach out to this, yeah, higher notes on the 15th fret and so on. We are not able to do that, so I played a notch darker. So that's how we're gonna do it here. Let's take a look at each and every chord, starting with A minor. And I will suggest you hold the chords pretty much how they are, not really, but most of the times. A minor, for instance, hold the chords as it is. So we're gonna start with this pattern. Okay, so that is open A, second D, first B, then open A again, second D, open B, and then open A and first B. That's it. So that is A minor parts. C next. It goes like this. So that is third on A, open G, open E, then third on A, open G, third B, and then finally third on A and open B. So slowly. That's the C. Over to G now, and I suggest you just hold the third fret on E string like this, and to start with, and then you're gonna play. That is third on E in the bass, then open G, then third B, then third E again, open G, open B, and then third E and open G. Like this, slowly. And then finally we have the D part, and it goes. And that is open D, second G, third E, then open D, second G, second E, and then open D and third E. And that's the end note of this melody. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna take you through one round slowly and then one round in standard or somewhat there. Tempo. Let's go. yeah, I took a couple of rounds. I slipped one note here and there, sorry, on one time there, so I had to repair it. Anyway, it's cool to play, it's nice, sounds nice, and it's fun as well. So you can go on and on with this melody. Now let's go into the strumming. Basically what you do is to use the same chords, A minor, C, G, and D, and one string around will be down, up, clap, up. So, okay, so down, up, clap, up. That is one string around. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds. So, pretty easy. So, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. And then you shift chord to C, same there, G, same there, D, same there. 2 rounds, string rounds per chord in the same way. So, so you can do a third final thing here, that is to combine the melody with this clap or rhythm going on. So what you do there, you're gonna use the melody, and when you play the third note, okay, so the third note and the 7th note, you're gonna replace that note with a clap instead. So that means on A minor, you're gonna play open A, second D, and the third note now, the first B, you replace that with a clap. And then you continue with 4th note, open A, 5th note, second D, 6th note, open B, 7th note now is the open A, you replace that with a clap and fulfill the pattern with first B, which is the 8th note. So slowly it will be like this. You just follow that pattern, the 3rd note, and the 7th note, replace that with a clap. So for C, that will be the high E, replace that first one. And the second time replace in C will be the 3rd fret A string, the 7th note, replace that with a clap. On the G chord, that will be the 3rd note is the 3rd B string, replace that with a clap. And the second time you do that is the 3rd fret E string, the 7th note, you replace that with a clap. And the D chord, the 3rd note there will be the 3rd fret high E. Replace that with a clap. And the final clap you replace is the open D string, the 7th note in this D chord. So slowly it will be like this 1 round. And the tempo is something like this. That's a next level thing there. Learn the melody first, then the strumming, and then if you want, combine it to Sueco's Bad Idea with melody and the rhythm. And that sounds great, nice, and very, very cool. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a comment and give me your honest opinion on this tutorial. Maybe a thumb up if you think it's good, and see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.